Shit. This thing's heavy. Funny story, Secret Lab, I would always see ads for this kind of desk, and I love like the features and stuff for it, and we'll get to that later. But the only reason I never wanted it is because it never came in white, and now it does. And let me tell you, when I saw that thing in white, I was like,
I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I need it!
so this is my current desk. Kia carved me on some Alex drawers. It's like what everybody and their mom has had. I've had this for like 6 years. I've always wanted a standing desk, and I just couldn't decide on the right one. I always thought I needed this 98-inch long desk. I don't. I really don't. And I'm gonna change all this stuff and hopefully be as minimal as possible. One of the things I'm hoping to fix with this also is like the cable management is supposed to be really, really good. I'm hoping that I can get rid of everything that's down here. That's what we're looking to do today. Who knows? I'm gonna be down here. It's right. What time is it? So right now it's 1:34. So 1:34 p.m. I'm probably not gonna be done till like 10 o'clock. I'm gonna unbox everything one at a time. Oh! What is this? Instructions, I need those. Let's see. This is gonna take me all day to build this. I swear to you. This toolkit. All right, 2 people part. I don't need 2 people. 2. Oh, I might. It's heavy. A lot more crap. Let's see. One of the legs. The other leg. If we ever move, I'm leaving this thing here. Let's put this in first. There we go. That's nice. Also had to change because it was getting hot down here. Everything's out of its box. This is what we're assembling right now. And I got like all the accessories in that tall box, which I'll do that at the end, but this is what we're doing right now. Got all the legs on. I don't have 2 people, so it's gonna have to, oh, sorry. I don't have 2 people, so it's gonna have to work with 1. See if I break my back. You know what? I'm gonna have to just put my finger under and flip this heat. Don't break your back, Alan. Oh my God. The little styrofoam's coming off. No. Get it back in there. Yeah. Just get under it. Get under there. Go towards the middle. Oh. Oh. Moment of truth. Power's plugged in. I see something, you know, right there. Let's see if I can just max it out. Ooh. I wonder how tall it goes. I'm slowing down. Oh wow, 125? Yeah. I don't even think I'm gonna need it this high. This is nice. Strong motor though. Ah, look at that. All right, Now I gotta get through the accessories. I guess I could just unbox them or put them on here real quick. So I'm gonna clean all this stuff up and figure out how I'm gonna move this heavy desk all the way over there, and I gotta take all that stuff down. So that's gonna take me a long time. I'll show you the finished product after. Some of my final thoughts. Overall, I love the functionality and the look of the desk. It's really high quality and feels pretty robust. It feels like Secret Lab took everything into account when designing the desk, which I really appreciate. Magnetic desk mat that it comes with is super nice. Honestly, nicer than I thought it would be. I like that it covers the whole entire desk. I like that you can choose your own color and color scheme as well. That's really nice. I went with this like really nice ash gray, but the best thing that I like about it that it did fix was just my dangling cables that were under my desk. So none of that anymore. I got some of them that are still on the desk, and I've cleaned it up as much as I can. I gotta order longer cables, but you know, that's my problem. It's not the desk's fault. There are some things I'm gonna change probably down the line. The laptop mount that you order separately needs to have a monitor arm, an extra monitor. So if you got two monitors, you would need, and you want to use the laptop attachment as well, they would have you order a third monitor arm in order to use it because it mounts to that. I thought it would like clamp to the desk. You know, I didn't really look into it. I was just excited for a new desk. The other thing I would recommend, if you have two different size of monitors like me, I have a 32-inch in the middle as my primary, and then a 27-inch as the vertical on the side. It works just in this orientation. If you want it to look better and have more freedom with how your layout is of your monitors, you're probably gonna wanna just get two separate monitor arms. Don't get the one that, you know, I'm gonna show here that I got on accident. I also thought it would work. It works for the most part, just not as best as my other monitors where I had one arm all the way on the left side, one arm on the right side, and I can kind of pick and choose and move them around, and it was nice. So other than those thoughts, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I'll have other technology content coming out. We'll see. Some game stuff too. If there's anything that I forgot to mention, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys are playing, what kind of desks you guys have. I'd like to know. But other than that, hope you guys have a good day.